9, 0, 3, 0, 3, 9 and 2, 9 and 1, 1 and 2, 7 and 4, 4 and 7. Oh man. What if I have that 3 and I take away 1?
2.
What if I have that 2 and I take away 1?
1. 3.
Oh, you got to get it up there. You see that 3 way up there? You have to get that kick up there. So if we do that again, wait a minute. We said 1 plus 2, right?
Yes, sir.
What if I said 2 plus 1?
It's still 3.
Oh, okay. Well, wait a minute. What if I said 5 minus 2?
It's still 3.
Oh, it's still 3. That's right. Well, wait a minute. 4 minus 1.
Still 3.
Still 3. Okay. 7 minus 4.
Still 3.
Oh, man. Hi, Sifu Och here, and I just wanted to go over something fun that you guys can do at home with, of course, your kids and things along those lines. It's actually pretty simple, pretty easy. You can get some Post-it notes, or, of course, you can also get basically pieces of paper with a little bit of tape. You can go ahead and put those onto your wall. They're very easy to come off. They're not going to hurt the paint. If you do use Post-it notes, what I do suggest is you're going to notice a little line here. That's where I'm going to bend it in. When you pull it off, what you're going to notice is that it's going to kind of go away from the wall. So you're going to bend it a little bit. So that way you can place it onto the wall. Kind of just push it a little bit there. Now what you're going to notice is you're going to notice that I have numbers basically on mine. 1 through basically, you would say 10, but it's 0. So 0 through 9. Think of it like that. So if we go ahead and we place 0 through 9 on the wall, what we're going to be doing is we're actually going to be doing a little exercise. You'll see that in, of course, the next video here, where we're going to be calling out individual numbers. We're also going to go ahead and call out adding and subtracting and things along those lines. So say, for instance, we go ahead and we say hit the 3. Well, the person can go ahead and they can punch basically towards the 3, they can cross towards the 3, they can uppercut towards the 3, they can even go ahead and kick basically towards that 3. So we want to make sure that unless we're going through a specific technique, let the child go ahead and do any technique that they want towards it, as long as they point towards that number. Now, if we sit here and we go 3 minus 3 equals, well, of course, that's 0. So they're going to be looking for the 0 on the wall. And that way they're going to punch basically towards that number once they get, of course, that solution. So if your child basically is doing adding and subtracting at home, things along those lines, they have to go ahead and process it very quickly. We're trying to get their mind to not only process it quickly, but their mind and body to react when that's going down. So again, we want to get numbers basically 0 through 9, and then I want you to just kind of place them in kind of a menagerie of different spots, but close enough that if I was standing in the middle here, I could technically put my one hand all the way around to hit any one of them, and if I was to take my other hand, I could put it around to hit any one of them. So if I hit towards basically the 7 and I want to hit towards the 6, uppercut the 4, cross down to the 0, punch down towards the 5. I won't have to move too much because, again, my hand can go ahead and touch any one of these basically on the wall. Okay, so you've gone ahead and you've set up all of your numbers 0 through 9 on the wall. Now make sure, for you kids at home, that you don't kick your wall. Don't kick your wall. So you're going to make sure that you have plenty of room between you and, of course, the wall. We don't want to touch the wall. We don't want to hit the wall. If you touch or you hit the wall, you owe your parents, that's right, 15 burpees.
15 of them.
That's right. 15 of them. So we want to make sure that if you're doing 15 burpees for your parents, you have to do it in front of them. And that's every time you touch the wall. So don't touch the wall. The wall is lava. Don't touch the wall. So with that being said, you're going to notice that the numbers are spread out. We're going to start off with basically just hitting one number at a time. You're going to hear me call out to Mr. Najee here what you should be doing. So right now, we're just going to go ahead. We're going to do jabs. We're going to do crosses. And we're going to do hooks. So jabs, crosses, and hooks. Keep your hands where?
By your face.
That's right. Keep your hands by your face. And so we want to make sure that if we're going to do our jab, our cross, and our hooks, that's all we're doing right now until I say something different. And then it's going to get a little harder. We're going to start doing extra numbers.
Yeah.
So we're going to start doing extra numbers, and then we're going to go from there. Now, once I start to do some extra stuff, I'm going to pause you so you can take a quick break. You breathe a little bit. Get some water over by you now. Make sure it's far enough away that you don't kick it, hit it, or step on it. All right, are we ready?
Yes, sir.
All right. So, starting off, stand in front, hands are up, and 4, 4, 4, 4, 6, 6, 9. Whoa, 9, 9, 0, 3, 0, 3, 9, 8, 8, 8, 7. Ooh, 7. Oh, 7. 1, 5. Oh, I had to look for it. 4. 4, 3, 8, 7, 7, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 9. 9. 1, 1, 1, 8, 0, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, 9, 8, 7, 1. Oh, I tricked you. 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 9, 3, 6, 7, 4, 3, 5, 0, 9, 5, 0, 9, 0, 5, 8, 3. Oh, 4, 7. Now I'm starting to call out 2 numbers. Are you ready for 2 numbers? Okay, breathe. Move a little bit. Give me 5 squats.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Good. Now we're going to switch things up. I'm going to count out 2 numbers. 2 numbers. Are you ready for 2 numbers? Ready, set, 1 and 9. Whoa. 2 and 9. 9 and 2. 9 and 1. 1 and 2. 2 and 1. 1 and 9. 2 and 9. 9 and 2. 9 and 1. 7 and 4. 4 and 7. 7 and 4. 4 and 7. 6 and 8. 8 and 6. 6 and 8. 2 and 9. 9 and 2. 5 and 0. 0 and 5. 0 and 0. 0 and 0. 9 and 9. 4 and 4. 3 and 3. 7 and 7. 1 and 1. 3 and 5. Oh, no. Mr. Najee touched the wall. Guess what he has to give you guys?
Well, that's 15.
He's got to give you 15 burpees. Go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
It's tough,
12,
but it's fair.
14, 15.
Good job. Mr. Najee, are we ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's keep going. I hope you guys at home, did you guys do the burpees with Mr. Najee?
Well, I hope so.
Oh, man. If Mr. Najee does it, remember, everybody has to do it. So, ready, set, 7 and 4. 4 and 7. 7 and 4. 4 and 7. 8 and 3. 3 and 8. 6 and 5. 5 and 6. 9 and 2. 2 and 9. 1 and 9. 9 and 1. 0 and 9. 9 and 0. Good. All right. Mr. Najee, bow towards the camera. And we are going to go ahead and we're going to come right back. I want you guys to get a quick drink of water. This is just your first set.
First set. Hope you're ready for more.
Oh, we're doing more. Okay. I hope you paused it and you got a quick drink of water. And if you didn't do those 15 burpees, I hope they did them.
I hope you did them too.
If you didn't do them, you better pause it right now and do those burpees. I'll wait for you. Okay. You're back? Good. Okay, so now we're going to do some adding and subtracting. So if I tell to Mr. Najee, what's 2 plus 3?
2 plus 3, 5. Boom.
Good. But now, Mr. Najee, we've got to make it a little bit harder.
Oh boy.
So we've got to do it only with kicks. So he's going to step back a little bit, okay? So now if I say 2 plus 3 equals?
5.
Oh, I hope you guys don't hit that wall. You better make sure you have enough room. Don't hit the wall. It's lava. See that red? Well, at home, your wall is, guess what? Whatever color it is, still lava. So don't touch it. And if you touch it, what do they owe us?
15 burpees.
What do they owe their parents?
15 burpees.
Oh, man, those are going to add up quick. So, if I say 1 plus 2 equals?
3.
Oh, you got to get it up there. You see that 3 way up there? You have to get that kick up there. So if we do that again, wait a minute. We said 1 plus 2, right?
Yes, sir.
What if I said 2 plus 1?
It's still 3.
Oh, okay. Well, wait a minute. What if I said 5 minus 2?
It's still 3.
Oh, it's still 3. That's right. Well, wait a minute. 4 minus 1?
Still 3.
Still 3. Okay. 7 minus 4?
Still 3.
Oh, man. Oh, my good. 6 minus 3?
Still 3.
Oh, my gosh. Okay. 8 minus 5?
Still 3.
Oh. So many numbers go right back to 3. Well, wait a minute. All right, let me think here. Okay, we got a 9 on here. So, okay, I'm going to throw you for a loop on this one.
Gotcha.
Are you ready? I'm going to throw you for a loop. You better watch those numbers. 9 minus 6?
Still 3.
Oh, my goodness. Oh, you touched
That's
the
15.
wall. 15 burpees, Mr. Najee. Oh, man. He's got to give them to me. At home, that means you got to do them too. He touched the wall. You got to do them at home too. Start going. Remember, if Mr. Najee does it, you have to do it.
6.
If Sifu Och does it, you got to do it too. So if I touch the wall later, guess what? You're going to still have to do it. Give me those 15. I know, it's tough. 15 of them.
13. 14.
He's so close. Good. I hope you finished your 15 now too. Very good. Look at how strong he's getting. Ooh. All right. Are we ready for our numbers? Are we ready for adding and subtracting? I hope so. Ready, Mr. Najee?
Sir, yes, sir.
We're not going to touch that wall, are we?
No, sir.
Oh, man. Ready? Set. 7 minus 4.
3.
Good. 8 minus 4.
4.
Good. Oh, man, we got to help out Mr. Najee, so I need you guys to call it out when the number's right while you're doing it at home. Good. 5 minus 1 is?
4.
All right. What is, everyone at home, I want you to answer this first before Mr. Najee does it. Ready? What is 6 out of 8? So if you have 8 and you take away 6, what's the number? Answer.
2.
Good. If I have 7 and I have 4 taken away from it, what is it?
3.
All right. What if I have 9 and I take away 6?
3.
Good. He's trying to do a hook heel kick. So let's try that again. If we have 6 and we take away 5?
1.
All right. What if we have 9 and we take away 2?
7.
Very good. What if we have 9 and we take away 6?
3.
Good. What if we have 9 and we take away 8?
1.
Good. What if we have 5 and we take away 2?
3.
Good. What if I have 8 and I take away 7?
1.
Good. What if I have 6 and I take away 5?
1.
What if I have 9 and I take away 0?
9.
What if I have 8 and I take away 7?
1.
What if I have 7 and I take away 6?
1.
What if I have 2 and I take away 1?
1.
What if I have 9 and I take away 4?
5.
Good. So, what if I have 8 and I take away 3?
5.
And then I take away from that 5 2 more?
3.
What if I have that 3 and I take away 1?
2.
What if I have that 2 and I take away 1?
1.
What if I have that 1 and somebody steals that 1?
0.
That's right. All right. What if I have 0 and I add 1?
1.
What if I have that 1 and I add 8?
9.
What if I have that 9 and I take away 7?
2.
What if I have that 2 and somebody gives me 3?
5.
Ooh, what if I have that 5 and someone takes away 4?
1.
What if I have that 1 and someone gives me 7?
8.
What if I have that 8 and someone gives me 1?
9.
What if I have that 9 and someone takes away 2?
7.
Good. What if I have that 7 and someone takes away 3?
4.
What if I have that 4 and someone gives me 5?
9.
What if I have that 9 and someone takes away 7?
2.
You guys are doing great. What if I take that 2 and I add on top of it 5?
7.
What if I take that 7 and I minus away 3?
4.
Great job, guys. You guys are doing so good at home. All right, so now we're going to go back to hands. Back to hands. All right? And then when I say jumzows, you guys are just going to face right towards the mirrors, just like Mr. Najee, and you're going to go ahead and just give me jumzows right towards basically the mirrors or right towards the screen. Are we ready? Okay. Set for punches. You're going to go for a 9. You're going to go for 5. 5 and 9. 5 and 9. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. 7 and 6. 6 and 7. 4 and 3. 3 and 4. 4 and 5. 5 and 6. 6 and 7. 8 and 9. 5 and 0. 0 and 5. 2 and 1. 6 and 7. Good. Now face towards me. And jumzows, go! Uh-oh, cover that center. Cover that center. Cover it. Cover it.
Make sure you're keeping your hands up by your face. I can see you.
Uh-oh.
It's the camera, but I can see you.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Shovel punches towards the... Go. 9. 7. 6. 8. 5. 0. 7. 3. I hope you guys didn't knock any of those numbers off of your walls at home. Let's try again. 2. 7. 4. Shovel punch that 8. Shovel punch that 9. I hope you don't touch those walls or knock those numbers off. 5 shovel punch. Good. Face towards me. And Chun's house. Guys, you're doing great. Keep it up. Don't stop it. Don't stop. Don't stop. Don't stop. Don't stop. Don't stop. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. Ah! Good. Relax a little bit. Shake it out. Guys are doing good. Ooh, get those knees up. I like it. Shake it out. All right. Are we ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, we're going to go on to our next thing. And our next thing is going to go ahead and be some busows towards each other. And then we're going to go ahead and just do teep kicks towards the numbers. Okay? So make sure you have enough distance. So let's practice our busows right now, nice and slow.
Ready? Busow punch and back. Busow punch and back. Busow punch and back. Other side. Busow punch, back. Busow punch, back. Busow punch, back. Beautiful. Now we're going to do 5 on just this side. So switch your feet one more time. And 1, sir. 2, sir. 3, sir. Hope you're counting with me. 4, sir. 5, sir. Beautiful. Other side. And 1, sir. 2, sir. 3, sir. 4, sir. 5, sir. Very nice, very nice.
Good. Are we ready to do our teep kicks?
Yes, sir.
Good. Hands up. Make sure you're far enough away. Don't touch that wall. Make sure you're far enough away. Check it again. All right. Don't touch that wall. And are we ready?
Yes, sir.
Good. 1 plus 2 is? Oh, that's a high kick. 9 minus 2 is?
7.
Ooh. 8 minus 7 equals?
1.
Good. 7 plus 2 equals?
9.
Good. 5 minus 2 equals?
3.
Oh, it's always that 3. It always keeps coming back to us. 3 plus 2 is?
5.
0 plus 0 is?
0.
0 plus 1 is?
1.
1 plus 2 is?
3.
Always that 3. Always coming back to get us. That's why it's all the way up there in that corner. 8 minus 6 is?
2.
Good. 1 plus 2 is?
3.
Oh man, that 3. It's always that 3. 9 minus 6 is? Always that 3. Ooh, that 3 keeps coming to get us. And 6 minus 5 is? Good. 5 minus 4 is?
1.
Good. And 4 minus 3 is?
1.
And 3 minus 2 is?
1.
And 2 minus 1 is?
1.
And 1 plus 0 is?
1.
You
Wait. 1 plus 0?
Yeah.
That's 0. No, that's 1. I was right.
were thinking multiplication. Yeah, it's not multiplication. Not yet, Mr. Najee. We will go ahead and be doing another video on multiplication, though. I
Gotcha.
almost got Mr. Najee because we were
Almost.
talking about that earlier. Are we
Almost.
ready?
Sir.
All right. Face towards me, Mr. Najee. And we're going to do those busows nice and slow. I want you to cut a couple of rounds on each side.
Yes, sir. And Busow punch. Very nice. Busow punch. Make sure that hand is out. Make sure that elbow is down. And make sure that punch is all the way out. So again, Busow punch. Busow punch. Busow punch. Make sure you keep your knees bent. Busow punch. Busow punch. Busow punch. Busow punch. Very nice. Let's try the other side. Ready? Busow punch. Busow punch. Make sure you're punching straight towards me. Busow punch. 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 Very nice.
Very good, guys. All right. So, we're going to go ahead and we're going to let you just kind of relax right now, but I want you to come back and I want you to try to do this video 3 times today.
3 times.
3 times.
Oh boy.
That's your goal. Your goal is to do the video 3 times a day. Okay?
Including the burpees.
That's right, including the burpees. Don't forget about those
You
burpees.
forget it. I won't forget about them.
You can't skip over the burpees.
You have to do the burpees.
Gotta do them. All right. Mr. Najee, as always, thank you very much.
No problem, Sifu.
Appreciate it. I hope you guys are having fun at home. We'll see you very soon.